The 13th problem, from the following particulars, calculate the trend percentage of Kavita Limited. The particulars given are for the 3 years 2015, 16, 16, 17 and 17, 18. Revenue from operations 100, 125, 150. Other incomes are 20, 25 and 30. Expenses are 100, 120 and 80. Income tax for all the 3 years is 30%. This video explains the trend analysis of Kavita Limited. So trend analysis in the sense there will be more than 2 years of analysis to be done. So we have 2015-16, 16-17, 17-18. The format of trend analysis is very simple. Particulars. Here you have to enter the amounts for the 3 years, and these 3 columns will be for the trend percentage for the 3 years. So for each year you are going to analyze the trend. So that's why we have, for the figures or for the amounts to be entered, we have 3 columns for the 3 years, 2015-16, 16-17 and 17-18. For the percentages, again as per the year it is given 2015-16, 16-17 and 17-18. Right. So first we are going to deal with these 3 columns only. So in the particulars column, since it is an income statement, we are going to write the income statement format. Revenue from operation, other incomes, total income, expenses, profit before tax. There is income tax of 30% given, so I subtract income tax, I will get profit after tax. Next, whatever is there in the sum for the figures of 2015-16, 16-17, 17-18, enter the amounts in the appropriate columns correctly. So till profit before tax I have completed my sum. That is, for one column I'll show you. For revenue from operation was 100 rupees. Other incomes was 20. So 100 plus 20, 120. Expenses were 100 rupees. I subtract 120 and 100, I will get 20. So now I must take a 30% on 20 for income tax. So 20 into 30 by 100. So I will get 6 as my answer. So that 6 has to be written here for income tax. So 20 minus 6 will be 14, that is profit after tax. Likewise the same, I have finished the addition and subtraction part. So for my income tax, I must take 30% on 30. So 30 into 30 by 100. So I will get 9. So that 9 has to be entered and subtracted with 30. So when I subtract it, I will get 21. Likewise for 2017-18, I have done the addition and subtraction till profit before tax. Now I must take 30% on 100. So 100 into 30 by 100 will give me 30. So when I subtract it, I will get 70 rupees. So as far as the 3 years are concerned, I have finished my income statement. Right. Now next we'll go into the trend percentage. So for trend percentage, the important step over here is this entire 2015-16 is going to be the base year. That is, base year means your denominator. This is going to be a base year. So you can just blindly write 100%, 100%, 100%, 100%, 100%, 100% and 100% for this particular column. I'll show you why it is. For example, leave out the first one because it's 100. If you take other incomes, so 20, this is the base year again. So divided by 20 into 100. So obviously what will you get as the answer? 100. So if you do any item in this column which is considered as a base year, you will get 100% as your answer. That is why we write 100% for all the particulars given here. Next, when we go into 2016-17, so we are going to do year wise because there are chances of you to get confused in this. So when you go 2016, what is my base year? My base year is this. So according to that same, if you are taking revenue from operations, so it is going to be 125 rupees for 2016-17. My base year for that particular revenue from operation is 100 into 100. So my answer will be 125%. Right. So next one, if you take, it's going to be 25 for 2016. So 25 divided by 20 into 100. So that is also going to give me 125%. Likewise, you're going to do for all these items. So 150 divided by 120 into 100 is again 125. Next, 120 divided by 100 into 100 is 120. Next, 30 divided by 20 into 100 is 150. Next, 9 divided by 6 into 100 is 150. 21 divided by 14 into 100 again is 150. So, for the year 2016-17, we have finished the trend percentage. Now, let's go into the year 2017-18. So, now again, my base year is the same. That is 2015-16 is going to be my base year or my denominator. So, for 2017-18, it's going to be 150 divided by the base year for that particular thing is 100 into 100. So my percentage is 150. Next, 30 divided by 20. So 30 divided by 20 into 100. So that's also going to be 150. Likewise, 180 divided by 120 is also 150 percentage. Next is 80 divided by 100 into 100 is 80 percentage. Next is 100 divided by 20 into 100 will be 500 percentage. Next is 30 divided by 6 into 100 will be also 500 percentage. And lastly, 70 divided by 14 into 100 will be 500 percentage. Please don't think that the answer may be wrong because it's coming 500 percentage, 150, 125. Your answer is perfectly correct because these values are in thousands. That means 100,000, 20,000, 120,000, 100,000, 20,000. So they have reduced your unit wise value and they have given you. So your answer is perfectly correct.